On this International Day for Women, a message from my heart, and I hope it reaches yours. The algorithm says my messages should be 30 to 40 seconds. This one's going to go a little longer, so let's hope it reaches you. As a woman, I see you. As a woman working hard every day in your career, on your passion, pursuing a dream, a goal, little steps forward all the way, but then feeling a big step back or looking for that big break for all of your hard work, I see you. As a woman who often feels overlooked in your arena, I see you. And as a woman aging in this youth-obsessed culture, yeah, I sure see you. It's not easy to hold it all together, to balance career, family, having children, pursuing your dreams. It's really tough. And from experience, it can burn you out. In my 40s, I was crashing. I was exhausted. I was sad. I felt alone. I was scared. I felt broken. And only now in this phase of my life do I feel good again. And I can tell you that if you're in that space, there is light ahead. There is a clearing. And if you are there, get support. Okay, please, please do. And to say as well, if you are following that dream, following that goal, these little sparkles inside, and you feel like your path starts to curve and take a new direction, but your heart is saying, go for it, or you feel that instinct that this belongs to you, do it. Because sometimes our path is very crooked, but it leads us to the place we are meant to be, our life's purpose. So on this International Day for Women, I support you and your life's purpose, and may your light shine. Thank you for watching.